Hello everyone. So today we will discuss how to solve summarized written text. So students, આજે આપણે શીખીશું કે summarized written text ના 10 minutes આપણે કઈ રીતે યુટિલાઇઝ કરી શકીએ. So students, આપણે 10 minutes આવી રીતના યુટિલાઇઝ કરી શકીએ. 2 minutes for reading the whole paragraph, 6 minutes for writing and reparaphrase the whole paragraph, and lastના 2 minutes માં તમે જે paragraph લખ્યો છે એને ચેક કરી શકો છો. So let's try this summarized written text. Bioluminescence, the ability of certain animals to produce and emit light, has long integrated scientists and captivated the public's imagination. The incredible natural phenomenon is not only a marvel to behold, but also serves various functions in the animal kingdom. One of the most well-known biomolecular creature is the firefly. The tiniest insects produce light through a chemical reaction in their abdomen, attract mates during their nocturnal courtship display. Fireflies create a mesmerizing spectacle on warm summer evenings as they flicker and glow in synchrony. Deep beneath the ocean surface, bioluminescence is even more prevalent. Many marine species, including certain types of jellyfishes, anglefish and plankton, use bioluminescence for a range of purposes. Some deep sea creatures employ it as a form of camouflage, matching their light's emission to the faint glow of sunlight filtering through the water above. Bioluminescence can also be means of communication and defense. Some squids use flashes of light to communicate with each other or to deter predators. The ability to emit sudden bursts of bluish light can startle and confuse potential threats, allowing the squids to escape. Scientists have been studying bioluminescent animals for years, not only to understand the biological mechanism behind their light production, but also to develop new technologies. The enzymes and molecules responsible for bioluminescence has been utilized in biotechnology, leading to advancements in the field like medicine and genetics. In summary, the world of bioluminescent animal in a captivating realm filled with unique and awe-inspiring creatures. These organisms have evolved remarkable adaptation from finding mates to surviving in the deep of the ocean. Beyond their natural beauty, they offer valuable insights and potential applications that continue to inspire scientific research and innovations. So, આપણે paragraph read કર્યો. હવે આપણે find કરીએ keywords. So, the keywords are bioluminescence, ability of certain produce emit lights, next biomoleculist, firefly, courtship display, jellyfish, form of camouflage, communication and defense. Furthermore, scientists, new technologies, medicine and genetics, and in the last paragraph we can use scientific and research innovation. So now reparaphrase this whole paragraph. So let's see the summary. Bioluminescence, a natural ability in certain animals like firefly, jellyfish and squids to emit light. They plays varied role for courtship to camouflage in the deep sea for captivating the scientists who make medicines and genetic materials by doing scientific research and innovation. So last 2 minutes માં તમે paragraph ને read અને check કરી શકો છો. So, આ હતું એક એક્ઝામ્પલ. તમે આવી જ રીતે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી શકો છો સમરાઇઝ રિટન ટેક્સ્ટ. If you want to know more about it, follow Wiza Guru.